Hello, how are you? My name is Lucas and welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, chances are you want to know more about the SoundSleep Snore Stopper. So, if you want to learn more about it, if it really works, if it's worth buying, I strongly recommend you watch this video until the end, as I'll share an important alert with you, and I'll also reveal all the information you need to know before purchasing the SoundSleep Snore Stopper, which promises to detect and stop snoring, allowing users to enjoy quality rest. According to the creator of the SoundSleep Snore Stopper, the gadget is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. The anti-snoring device is rechargeable and comes with a phone app to track and monitor sleep patterns and the number of times you snore. SoundSleep Snore Stopper improves the user's breathing, thus eliminating the chances of snoring. The TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, pulse technology uses low-level electric pulses to stimulate the jaw muscles. How does the SoundSleep Snore Stopper work? It utilizes various technologies to combat chronic snoring and increase overall sleep quality. With SoundSleep Snore Stopper, the quality of your sleep is guaranteed. All SoundSleep Snore Stopper reviews claim that using advanced technology, this anti-snoring device aims to automatically detect and stop snoring, providing users with snore-free nights and better sleep quality. The intelligent AI features of the SoundSleep Snore Stopper allow it to accurately identify snoring sounds. When snoring is detected, the SoundSleep Snore Stopper immediately responds by activating TENS pulse technology. Electric pulses are delivered to the jaw area, promoting muscle contraction and stimulating proper airflow, reducing or eliminating snoring episodes. Does the SoundSleep Snore Stopper really work? How to use the SoundSleep Snore Stopper. Download the SoundSleep Snore Stopper app on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth to sync data between the anti-snoring device and your phone. Attach the SoundSleep Snore Stopper strap below the chin, ensuring the groove is near the throat. Press the strap for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure it is securely attached to the skin. Turn on the SoundSleep Snore Stopper and connect it to the strap to start working. Benefits of using the SoundSleep Snore Stopper: improves sleep quality. Enhances relationships by creating a quiet sleep environment. Non-invasive remedy for snoring. Portable and easy to use. Thousands of people have testified to the quality of the SoundSleep Snore Stopper due to its effectiveness, and you're sure to love it too. The manufacturer has made the SoundSleep available only on their official website to prevent scams from counterfeit sites. I'll leave the link to the official website in the description below to help you purchase it safely. Don't spend another sleepless night. Say goodbye to snoring and welcome quality sleep with the SoundSleep Snore Stopper. Most users who have reviewed this portable anti-snoring product have nothing but praise for it. SoundSleep Snore Stopper is a remarkable anti-snoring device that offers solutions to all your snoring needs. So, if you're interested in learning more about the SoundSleep Snore Stopper and how it can help improve your sleep quality, check the link in the description below to access the official website. There, you'll find more information about this anti-snoring device and can make an informed decision about its use. It's worth checking out. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching until the end. If I've helped you in any way, don't forget to leave a like on this video. See you later.